The BSJ DR03, a 3-channel AI dashcam built for fleet safety and driver monitoring. 3 channels: forward road, in-cabin driver monitoring, and optional external cameras. Driver monitoring detects fatigue, distraction, and mobile phone use in real time. ADAS alerts drivers to collision risks, lane departures, and unsafe following distances. Blind spot detection helps prevent side collisions and lane change accidents. Fatigue detection alerts drivers when drowsiness is detected, preventing accidents before they happen. Mobile phone use behind the wheel. The camera sees it and alerts immediately. Multi-constellation GNSS, GPS, Galileo, Beidou, and GLONASS. Accurate tracking anywhere. Remote cutoff. Disable fuel or power via platform command. Stop unauthorized use. Optional LoRa connectivity. Long-range, low-power communication for remote fleet locations. Seatbelt monitoring. Driver behavior alerts, helping you build a safer safety culture. Reverse obstacle detection. Extra pair of eyes for maneuvering in tight spaces. Wide voltage range. 9 to 90 volts. Fits fans, HGVs, buses, and coaches. Powered by Linux OS and a one-TOPS AI neural processing unit, on-device AI processing. Firmware over-the-air updates. Remote configuration. No physical access needed. Driving behavior reports. Harsh braking. Rapid acceleration. Cornering. All tracked. Incident video automatically saved. Evidence for insurance claims and driver coaching. Cloud storage. Real-time upload. Access footage anywhere, anytime. No more blind spots. No more